So is your time spent in the real estate business match your goals? That's the topic of conversation today, guys. I had a meeting with two agents, newly licensed, fairly newly licensed, been in business for about 5 to 6 months, full-time, both of them. Both have similar goals. They want to earn between 80 to 100,000 in the next 12 months. They want to have a consistency in their business. They want to build a pipeline with nurtures very quickly. They're doing activities. They're holding open houses. They're calling leads. They're marketing and promoting themselves on social media platforms. So they're doing activities, right? But both of them are kind of struggling because they're just not really building their pipeline fast enough or not generating any income, right? Both of them actually coming from the management background. So they used to earn $70,000, $80,000, $90,000 a year. And they want my advice. They want to know what can they do differently or how quickly they can, start making money, right? That's really their ultimate goal. So we had a conversation, and here's what came out of that conversation. When they used to work for their employer, they used to put in 60, 70 hours a week to earn $70,000, $80,000 a year.